Are you tired of spending endless hours scrubbing your patio, deck, or driveway? Well, fret no more, because we've compiled a list of the top 5 pressure washers available on Amazon, ensuring that your cleaning tasks become effortless and efficient. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. A-iPower gas-powered pressure washer. It can deliver 2700 psi and 2.3 GPM of maximum surface cleaning power. It is perfect for removing dirt and grime while restoring decks, sidewalks, siding, patios, porches, driveways, and vehicles. It has got a 25-foot high-pressure hose for expanded reach and maneuverability. And it also has two 8-inch wheels for convenient portability. Number 4. Westinghouse gas-powered pressure washer. It features 3200 psi and 2.5 GPM of powerful, deep cleaning water pressure. It has half-gallon onboard soap tank with 25-foot abrasion-resistant Superflex hose with lightweight spray gun and 5 quick connect nozzles. It is built with tough steel frame with 12-inch high profile, never flat wheels that provide easy transportation and maneuverability. And the stainless steel makes it last longer. Number 3. Greenworks 3000 psi TruBrushless electric pressure washer. It has got 25 feet long hose for better functionality. The silent operation of this machine makes it stand out from the crowd. The jet flow technology helps it to deliver up to 50% more flow, reaching higher areas and quick power rinsing. It is equipped with rugged metal gun and 15 degrees, 25 degrees and 40 degrees tips. Plus the soap and turbo nozzles are also included. Number 2. SIMPSON MegaShot 3200 psi gas pressure washer. This premium pressure washer is easy to assemble and easy to start with its Honda premium residential engine. A powerful, reliable, maintenance-free OEM Technologies axial cam pump delivers 3200 psi at 2.5 GPM and includes thermal relief to prevent overheating. The 10-inch pneumatic tires offer ease of maneuverability across various terrain and uneven ground. It is equipped with 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees nozzles and soap for any cleaning tasks. Number 1. Sunjoe electric high-pressure washer. This electric pressure washer comes with a 1800-watt motor, generates up to 2030 psi and 1.76 GPM of water flow. It can tackle a variety of cleaning tasks: homes, buildings, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, patios, lawn equipment, and more. It features auto shut-off to save power and energy. With two 0.9-liter onboard detergent tanks, removable tanks carry and store different types of detergent to simultaneously tackle different cleaning. It might seem overwhelming with over 1,000 pressure washers on the market. Hopefully, we helped you narrow it down to the best model for your needs. Whether you're looking for a compact option or a smart pressure washer with advanced features, we hope you found this video helpful. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want more information or if you want to know product price, check my description. For any further information, please comment below.